Welcome back to Pleopod, the show where we dissect the latest in tech. I'm Armin.
And I'm Maya. Armin, this year's Google I.O. was, dare I say, revolutionary?
It really was, Maya. We've been talking about AI assistants for years, but this felt like a genuine paradigm shift. The introduction of Gemini Spark, what they're calling the Agentic era, it's a huge leap.
Absolutely. So for our listeners who might have missed the keynote or are still processing, what exactly is Gemini Spark?
At its core, Gemini Spark is a 24/7 personal AI agent. Think of it less as a chatbot you talk to and more as a persistent digital partner that works for you in the background. It runs on dedicated cloud machines, which means it can perform tasks even when your phone or laptop is off or disconnected.
That's a critical distinction. So it's not just reactive, it's proactive. What kind of tasks are we talking about?
The demonstrations were pretty mind-blowing. It can handle multi-step, cross-platform operations. For instance, imagine planning a trip. Spark could check your calendar for availability, search for flights and hotels across different sites, draft an itinerary in Google Docs, and even send out invites, all with minimal prompting. It deeply integrates with Google Workspace, Gmail, Docs, Slides, Drive, but also has a protocol, the Model Context Protocol, or MCP, to connect with third-party tools.
So it's like giving your AI a set of keys to your digital life, but with guardrails, I assume.
Exactly. Google emphasized that it's completely opt-in. Users will choose which apps Spark can connect to. And to address potential concerns, they've introduced new safety frameworks like the Agent Payments Protocol, or AP2. This protocol helps govern agent interactions and sets limits on spending and merchant dealings. It's designed to build trust as these agents become more autonomous.
That's reassuring. The idea of an AI autonomously making purchases, even with limits, could be a bit unnerving. You mentioned it runs on the Gemini 3.5 model family. How does that tie into the Antigravity platform?
Right. The Gemini 3.5 models are the brains, providing the advanced reasoning and understanding. But the Antigravity platform is what orchestrates these long-horizon workflows. It's the engine that allows Spark to break down complex requests, plan the steps, execute them across different applications, and manage the entire process over time. It's the scaffolding for truly agentic AI.
And this isn't just about Google's own apps, is it? The MCP sounds like a key enabler for the broader ecosystem.
Definitely. This move signals Google's pivot from a conversational AI model to an agentic era. They're opening up the Gemini app as a platform. Developers can now use the Managed Agents API to build and deploy their own custom agents that can run in secure, cloud-hosted environments. This opens up a whole new landscape for how software interacts with AI and how users can delegate tasks.
So developers aren't just building apps anymore. They're building agents that can operate within a larger AI ecosystem. That's a massive shift in thinking.
Sundar Pichai put it perfectly. Gemini Spark transforms Gemini from a chatbot into an active partner that operates on the user's behalf. It's about AI taking on a more active, supportive role in our daily digital lives, managing the mundane so we can focus on the more creative or strategic tasks.
It's incredibly powerful. When can we expect to get our hands on this?
It's a phased rollout. Initially, it's going to trusted testers, followed by a beta for Google AI Ultra subscribers, starting in the US. So we're still a little ways off from a general public release, but the direction is clear.
It's exciting to think about the possibilities, but also the challenges in ensuring privacy and security as these agents become more integrated. That AP2 protocol sounds like a good start.
Absolutely. The conversation around AI safety and ethics is more critical than ever with these advancements. It's a delicate balance between empowering users with sophisticated tools and ensuring responsible deployment.
Well, Armin, this has been a fascinating deep dive into Gemini Spark. It feels like we're truly at the beginning of something big.
I agree, Maya. The agentic era is here, and it's going to be a wild ride. That's all the time we have for today on Pleopod. Thanks for tuning in.
See you next time.